how to transfer money from Walmart gift card to Cash App. If you've ever wondered if you can transfer money from a Walmart gift card to Cash App, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to do just that. First things first, you need to make sure you have your Walmart gift card ready. If it's a physical card, you'll need the card number and the PIN. If it's an e-gift card, you should have received it in your email. Now, first things first, open Cash App. Now, once you're in the app, look for the banking or balance tab. This is where your funds are usually stored in. After you've tapped on your balance to open your Cash App wallet and look for the add funds option. This is where you'll add money to your Cash App account. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. Cash App doesn't support adding funds directly from a Walmart gift card, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a workaround. Now go back to the main screen of Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select linked banks and cards. You need to link your Walmart gift card as a debit card in this section. To do this, click on add a bank or add a card and then enter the Walmart gift card details like you would a regular debit or credit card. This includes the card number, expiration date and the CVV code on the back. Once you've added the Walmart gift card successfully, you should see it listed under your linked cards in Cash App. And that's it. That's how you simply transfer money from a Walmart gift card to your Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.